Hi, hope you are really well. So today we're going to continue to look at ordinal numbers. Can you remember what, oh, for God's sake, stop. Let's try this again. A little scribble on the screen. No, I want black if you don't mind. Let's, pen, black pen would be fab. No, it is still giving me that strange. Okay, take away, take away, take away, take away, take away, like that. Pen with nice and small. Okay. Hi, hope you are really well. So today we are going to continue to look at ordinal numbers. Remember, ordinal numbers mean what place something comes in. So it might be first, second, third, so on and so forth, okay? So that's what we're going to continue to look at today. We're going to investigate them a little bit, okay? So as you can see, we have a grid on the screen. Now, there are some blocks. There's a certain amount of blocks in this grid. So the first thing we're going to do is count how many squares we have on the screen. And then we're going to use our ordinal numbers to work out some questions. So the first thing is we need to find out how many blocks we have on the screen. Okay, so would you like to count with me? Cool, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Absolutely fantastic. We've got 10 blocks on the screen. Now, the first question is, I'm going to ask, if I asked you to colour in the second from bottom, if I asked you to colour in the second from bottom square, which square would you colour in? The second from bottom. The second from bottom. So the first thing is we need to find out where the bottom is. So is the bottom here or is the bottom here? Where is the bottom of our grid? I think you know. Fantastic. So the bottom of the grid is right down here. And the question is, we've been asked to colour in the second from the bottom. So this one would be the first, and this one would be the second, because we have the bottom, which is right down here, the first and the second. So this would be our second grid. So we would simply, or second square, so we'd simply colour in this one here, okay? Absolutely fantastic. Okay, now the next one is we are going to find and colour in the sixth from the top. The sixth from the top. So firstly, we have to, of course, identify and find out where the top is. Would the top be down here or would the top be up here? That's correct. The top is up here. And we've been asked to find out or identify the sixth from the top. The sixth from the top. So this is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and you guessed it, our sixth from the top. So we're going to write sixth there, okay? Absolutely fantastic. Now let's colour that one in. There we go. Okay. Right, let's do another one. Now we've been asked to colour in the third from the bottom. Let's just get rid of some of these so we have some more space. We've been asked to colour in the third from the bottom. Where would the third from the bottom be? We know that the bottom is down here, don't we? And we've been asked to colour in or identify the third from the bottom. So we have to find out which one is the third block. This would be the first block. This would be that's correct, the second block. And here would be the third block. Now remember, we were asked to find the third from the bottom. So the bottom would be here, 1, 2, 3, or we could say first, second, third. And this one here would be the third from the bottom. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so moving on. Now this time we have been asked to identify or find the third from the top. We know that this is the third from the bottom, but now we have to find the third from the top. We know the top is up here, and the bottom, let's write that in there, the bottom is down there. So we first find the top, which is here, and we've been asked to identify the third from the top. So this is the first, second, third. So we're going to colour in this square here. This would be the third. This would be the third from the top. You did really well. So we've now looked at ordinal numbers. Can you remember what an ordinal number is? If I said, fine, we're going to look at ordinal numbers. What's an ordinal number? An ordinal number identifies the position, T-I-O-N, the position or the order. And we could say, for example, if there's a car race, what position or order the cars come in? First, second, or third? That's how we could tell someone what an ordinal number is. Now, when we're identifying ordinal numbers, we can write them in words. For example, we could say first. We could write first in words, or we could write first using digits as well. So we have two ways of writing our ordinal numbers. When we're finding ordinal numbers in our grids or on our grids, first we have to identify where the top or the bottom would be, where the first or the second would be, and then we simply count on first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. So an ordinal number shows us the position or order of something. Really, really well done. Fantastic learning as always. I will see you on the next one. Bye.